Hello guys, my name is Kiki and it's time to make crafting fun. To make our topiaries, we're gonna use this pot I got from Walmart and some wood dowels. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our Quikrete. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it with water so we can make the paste or the cement to pour inside our planter. And as you can see, it's getting everywhere. But we're gonna just pour some of that inside our pot and then add a little bit of water to the inside. With a spoon, we're gonna mix it, and I'm using this one that I got from the dollar store, like 4 of them, so I can throw them away. And we're gonna mix really nicely, just like this. Then we're gonna grab our dowel, and we're gonna insert that dowel in the middle of our pot. Let me show you. This is what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna use a couple of popsicle sticks so we can secure it with a little bit of tape. And we add the tape to the borders just like this. And then we're gonna let it dry, and it dries in a couple of hours, like 2 to 3 hours. And then we're gonna take another pot and we're gonna mix that cement or concrete with water again, and we're gonna make the other one so we can have 2 beautiful topiaries. I'm in love with them, and as soon as I saw the Boxwood from Walmart, I knew I had to make a topiary out of that. I'm obsessed with that Boxwood, but I love topiaries, so I had to mix them together. So we're gonna just mix this concrete again, and then we're gonna add our dowel, let it dry, add our popsicle sticks. Let that dry really nicely. And then we're gonna move on to assembling our beautiful topiary. Let me just finish with this. Add my popsicle sticks and my dowel so we can move on to letting this dry. So then we can move on to making our beautiful topiary. And for our topiary, what we're gonna use is a styrofoam bowl like this one, and some green paint like this one. And also we're gonna use a skewer so we can hold our styrofoam bowl. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove all of that plastic, insert that dowel or skewer into our foam bowl, and then start painting that bowl green, because we don't want that white ball to show. So if you can find a green styrofoam ball, just use that and skip this step. So we're gonna cover it completely using that leaf green that you see there until we have it completely painted. After that, we're gonna let it dry and repeat with our other ball. So we have our 2 styrofoam balls on green. And that's if you can't find your green styrofoam ball. It's Sticky Tuesday again, and this is a challenge I'm co-hosting with my beautiful friends Jenny and Diane from Deco. And in the description box down below, you're gonna find a link to their channel and also the link for this awesome playlist so you can go and check out what everyone else created for it. Now that we have our concrete dried, we are gonna start staining our dowel, and I'm using antique wax. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stain all over it using that antique wax and a foam brush, just like this. We're just gonna paint all over it so we have a beautiful stained dowel, so it looks like the tree trunk, just like that. And we're gonna repeat that step on our other topiary. We're making a pair of beautiful topiaries now. Now, we're gonna take our styrofoam ball, and we're gonna insert that styrofoam ball to our base or dowel. And for that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my styrofoam ball and press it to that dowel until it gets in. It's a little bit complicated, and you will see my struggle here. But after you get the dowel on the inside of the ball, it's pretty easy. Then we're gonna start just adding our boxwood. And for that, I just got all of this boxwood picks from Walmart. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start inserting them into the styrofoam ball. Now, I'm gonna start cutting them. And as you can see here, we're gonna cut and separate all of them just by cutting them with wire cutters or a plier or something. And after we finish cutting them like that and separating them, we're gonna start adding them to the styrofoam bowl. And for that, we're just pressing them down into our styrofoam bowl. And as this is the Sticky Tuesday, we're gonna grab a little bit of hot glue and secure all of those. But I'm just pressing them down right now so you can see how I am doing it. After that, I will take them out and add that little bit of hot glue so we get them secured and they won't go anywhere. And we're just gonna continue adding our boxwood to our styrofoam bowl until we have covered all of that green styrofoam bowl. Keep on doing that, and then when you have that beautiful topiary, we are gonna start just placing in the bottom pot a little bit of foam, and I'm gonna glue it using hot glue so it stays there because we are looking for a little bit of elevation. And as you can see, I'm adding my hot glue, adding my foam, then I'm gonna take some of that moss and I'm gonna add it to the bottom, and that will be it. We will have a beautiful topiary that I will show you right now. If you like modern farmhouse decor and lots of silly jokes, subscribe because that's what I do here. And hit the thumbs up and share this video with a friend because that really helps to support my channel. Also, go and check me out on my social media so we can be friends over there and have lots and lots of fun together. Here we have them. This is how they turned out, and I'm in love with them. Look at that. They are so beautiful, and they look like something from a high-end store. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And remember that in the description box down below, you're going to find the link to the playlist and also to Johnny and Diane's channel. Go and check them out because I know you're going to love them. They are so awesomely talented, and I know you're gonna love those ladies. And here you can see them again. I'm in love, in love. Look at that. That boxwood looks so beautiful. And remember that if you like modern farmhouse decor and lots of silly jokes, that's what I do here. So subscribe and hit the thumbs up and share this video with a friend because that really helps to support my channel. And let me know what you think about this one. And remember, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.